Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by testing and removing loose paint immediately because speed changes the chemistry. If the paint is wet, scrape gently with a spoon or dull knife. Blot with a paper towel until no more transfers. Once done, run the stained area under cold water from the fabric back to push pigment out rather than through the cloth. Make sure to note paint type now. Water-based will rinse, oil-based needs solvent, so you know which next step solvent to use safely. Now you treat the stain depending on paint chemistry, so the solvent attacks pigment without wrecking fabric. For latex, apply concentrated dish soap or laundry detergent and scrub with a soft brush while rinsing in cold water. Soap lifts the polymer and pigment. For oil-based paint, ventilate and spot test acetone or mineral spirits on a hidden seam, dab with a cotton pad and watch for color loss. Once the paint softens, scrape and blot repeatedly. Finish by flushing the treated area thoroughly, then launder using the hottest safe temperature per the garment label to remove residues and solvent traces. Once washed, inspect before drying. Do not tumble dry until stain is fully gone because heat sets remaining paint. If you still see residue, repeat the targeted solvent cycle and rewash. Persistence is key. If the fabric loses dye or weakens, stop immediately, rinse with water to neutralize, and consider a professional cleaner to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.